have a special program for the diabetic people. It's named as Diabetic Plan. Okay, and since we know that around 20% of the population living in the UAE, they are living with the diabetes. So to help them, the Health Factory have a special program for the diabetic people. And the main features of this plan is that it contains not the refined carbohydrates. We'll make sure that we'll provide them the complex carbohydrates, and the foods that are low in GI, so that will help them to control their diabetes. Definitely it is suitable for the kids even who are living with the diabetes, because here the dietitians, because generally all the kids who are having a diabetes, they are on insulin, and with the insulin we have to be very careful about the carbohydrate distribution in their plan. So we'll just take the full history, we coordinate with their doctors, and we'll know how is their dosage of the insulin, and accordingly we'll distribute the carbohydrates in their daily plan, and that will help them to control their sugar levels as well. For diabetic plan also, we'll make sure that the clients they are coming, we'll take the body composition analysis for them, and we'll consider everything, their sugar levels, not only their sugar levels, their cholesterol levels, and other parameters like HbA1c. That is very important to know about the history, that in last 3 months how well controlled was their diabetes. And then accordingly, depending upon all these parameters, we'll decide how much calories we need to give, and they can be on the diabetic plan on the same calories, and we'll distribute the carbohydrates in their daily calorie plan so that their sugar levels will be well controlled. We have a lot of clients, even the success rate is very good, especially for the diabetic client, and the DHA also has approved our meals, and we are going to have a tie-up where we are working with the diabetic center in their cafeterias. We do have a lot of customers for the diabetes, and they are getting benefit out of it. The success rate is very high, and especially when we see, I have one client, she was having a HbA1c of around 11.6%, and after 3 months when she came, her HbA1c levels have come to 6. So that is a great results, and she has recommended a lot of diabetic patients, and they are getting good results from us. To control their sugar levels, they have to distribute the carbohydrates in a small and frequent meals. So for that, we give them 3 main meals, the breakfast, lunch and the dinner, and 2 snacks in between, that is a mid-morning snack and the afternoon snack. We do provide them high fiber in the form of salads. So the salads are also a part of main course with the lunch as well as for the dinner. So many people, if they are already, their sugar levels are under control, so they can at least learn that how well they should eat, what should be their portion of breakfast, lunch and dinner, and how frequently they should eat the meals, what should be portion of their fruits, or what should be portion of their snacks. So they learn that what kind of food they should eat to maintain their sugar levels. And if their sugar levels are uncontrolled, still they are able to, again it depends how irregular is their sugar levels, so accordingly it will take a time. So it may take even 2 months. If they are sticking to the plan, and if they are determined, and if they are exercising as guided by us, they can get the results in 2 months. For the diabetic plan, we'll make sure that they are getting good amount of soluble as well as the insoluble fiber that will help them to control their sugar levels. And we replace all the refined carbohydrates from their diet to brown rice, or to whole wheat pasta, or to quinoa, or to whole wheat bread. So that will definitely help them to control their sugar levels.